Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss chapter 9, that is practical chemistry. Okay? Actually in this chapter most of the things are practical, but few things we will discuss in the class, and inshallah in the next time we will do some practical from this chapter. Yes. First thing what we have to know is about the cation and anion. Yes, do you know what is the difference between the cation and anion? Anions are? Okay.
That means you are setting it that be like
A normal salt is made up of two radicals, okay, that are cation and anion, okay. Whereas before that you have to know that is two electrodes, cathode and anodes. You know about it, cathode and anodes. Yes. Yes, definitely. One thing, positive, this is the trick to learn what which is positive charge and which is negative charge. Positive, P positive, anode. Means anode is positive, okay, and negative is cathode, and cathode is negative. And whatever the particles which are coming on the cathode are said to be that definitely positive charge will become, and the particles which are come on cathode are known as cation. Yes, that is why cations are positive charged particles and anions are negative charge. Yes. In this chapter we will discuss that the cation in a laboratory are identified by chemical reaction with alkalis. Means how we can distinguish about, how we can get it to know about cation and anion. Okay. To get it to know about the cation, we have to identify by a chemical reaction of cation with the alkalis or some specific reagent. Yes, what do you know what is alkali? Yes, tell me. You? Alkali. What is alkali? Alkali is simple soluble base. And what is reagent? Yes, what is reagent? What? Yes, reagents. Yes. Reagents are the substances which cause chemical reaction, okay? Especially in order to find out another substance which are forming. Okay, and to find out the ions, we have to know which gas is evolving after the reaction. Okay, It's depend according to the gas organized which the cation in the laboratory are identified by a chemical reaction with alkali or by a specific reagent, while the anions are identified by corresponding gas evolved out when the salt is treated with an acid. Means which gas is evolving when a particular salt is reacted with the acid. Okay, and how we can distinguish about means which gas is evolving. There are so many tests we will discuss. From that we get to know which gas is evolving in this reaction. Okay, and before performing the test of cation, we must have to prepare the solution of the given salt. Okay, so this homogeneous mixture of salt and solvent is known as original solvent, and generally it is written as OS as an abrasive. Okay. Now, the identification test for gases. Now we have to check which gas is evolving. Okay, suppose ammonia is there. So what we have to do? Cation is present in the ammonium ion as the ammonia get evolved when ammonium salt are heated with NaOH solution. Okay, so when we heat when we are heating this with alkali, okay, then sodium chloride, water and ammonia gas is evolved. Okay, this chemical reaction takes place, and what happened in that red litmus turned to blue. Okay, it means that this ammonia is basic in nature. Okay, and gas gives white fume with moist hydrogen chloride gas, and the third one gas turn Nessler reagent brown. Okay, yes, actually Nessler reagent is a solution. Okay, it is generally yellow in color. Okay, when it react with the ammonia, then it will become brown in color. Okay, so in this way we can recognize that the ammonia gas is evolving. Okay, clear? Now similarly carbon dioxide. Okay, ions present in carbonate as it liberates CO2 on heating with dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, so when we heat calcium carbonate, then calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gases evolve, and few other reactions are given. Okay, other reactions are zinc carbonate on heating gives zinc oxide, carbon dioxide. Okay, calcium carbonate on heat with dilute sulfuric acid, then it will form calcium sulfate, water, and carbon dioxide. Okay, now how we can confirm that the carbon dioxide is evolving? So what we can do, we can check it first from the litmus paper. Okay, it will turn blue litmus into red. Okay, second thing is gas extinguishers burning splint. Okay, means there is a burning flame, so due to the carbon dioxide it will yes. And third is it turns lime water milky. Okay, from these three observations you can recognize or you can confirm that the gas which is evolving in this reaction is carbon dioxide. Okay, and the third is chlorine. So salt is an oxidizing agent and liberate chlorine with concentrated hydrochloric acid. Okay, now in this reaction chlorine gas is evolving, and how we can confirm? In that case, blue litmus turn red and finally bleach. And the second point is gas turn starch iodine paper in blue color, blue black, and few other things are given. And third is of hydrogen. Okay, when metal react with acid, then hydrogen gases evolve. Okay, here an example is given, that is magnesium is reacting with hydrochloric sulfuric acid, and it is forming magnesium sulfate, and hydrogen gases evolve. Okay, in the previous chapter, in the hydrogen chapter, we discussed about when hydrogen gas burn, it produces a pop sound. Similarly, we can recognize or confirm either the hydrogen gases evolving or liberating from this chemical reaction or not. Okay, so one thing that we can do here, we can check gas burn with pop sound. Okay, second is hydrogen gas is neutral. Okay, and the third is hydrogen chloride gas, that is HCl. So metal chloride when react with the concentrated H2SO4 hydrochloric acid, then it will give HCl. Okay, and how we can recognize it? We can confirm with the help of litmus paper. It will turn blue litmus into red. Okay, and second is gas give dense white fume with ammonia solution. And the sixth one is hydrogen sulfide, and similarly few others are given. Now let's discuss about the Actually, these are practical things. You have to know when we will go in the chemistry lab. In that you can do. There you can do this. These equations? No, beta. These are only practical information. Means you only have to know. If suppose you have to recognize which gas is evolving, any chemical reaction is there and which gas is evolving, then if you know these things, then you can recognize. Suppose oxygen gas is evolved, then it should be neutral. Hydrogen gas is evolved. Means you have to recognize the gas which gas is evolving. So you can check by these methods. These are the different method. Means different method of different gases. Means there are different gases now. So how we can recognize or how we can confirm that the particular gas is evolving, that is mentioned here. Okay. Are you getting or not? Okay. Yes, next let's discuss about the oxygen. Okay. Heavy metal oxide